Welcome back to Amazing Car. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero, a legendary SUV that continues to impress with its blend of rugged performance and modern comfort. Let's begin by exploring its interior, which is a perfect balance of luxury and practicality. The cabin features premium materials, including leather upholstery and soft touch surfaces, creating a comfortable and refined atmosphere for both the driver and passengers. The Pajero's advanced infotainment system integrates seamlessly with a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, offering intuitive controls, navigation, and smartphone connectivity. It's complemented by a surround sound system, delivering crisp, clear audio for a truly immersive driving experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Pajero comes with a robust 3.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, offering plenty of torque for off-road adventures while maintaining excellent highway fuel efficiency. It's paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and features Mitsubishi's Super Select 4WD system, allowing the Pajero to tackle various terrains with ease, whether you're cruising on the freeway or navigating rocky trails. The Pajero delivers exceptional stability and control. The Pajero's design is as iconic as its performance, with bold lines and a muscular stance that exudes confidence. From its distinctive front grille to its high ground clearance, the Pajero's exterior is built for adventure. Its history spans decades of innovation, with the Pajero gaining a reputation for reliability and off-road prowess, making it a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero continues that legacy while adding modern touches to keep it competitive in today's market. Stay tuned for more amazing car reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe.